Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya. Happy New Year, guys. It is 2020. In today's video, I'm creating this little New Year's glam for you guys. Just wanted to end off this year and start off a new year right with a bomb makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel first and click that bell so you'll be notified when I post more uploads. And let's just go ahead and get into this look. Alright guys, starting off with moisturizing my face, I'm using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Moving on to brows, I'm using the Morphe Brow Cream. And I'm just going to prime my eyelids right now with the e.l.f. Concealer.
Ryan Little.
So going in with the James Charles palette, I'm using the colors in like the top right hand corner. And I'm starting off with the shade 10% Off. And I'm just basically starting that in with my crease, and I'm just working my way up just by blending out this shade. I'm taking this blending brush, I'm just making sure this color is like really blended out well. Alright, so next I'm going in with the shade Boutique, and I'm just putting that in my crease as well, just to deepen up my crease a little bit. And I'm also just going to blend out those two shades together. Now I'm taking the shade Boutique and Benny, and I'm just mixing those two colors on my outer corner, and I'm just kind of blending that inward to like the middle of my eye and upward where my crease is, and I'm just basically blending those colors together. So now time to cut my crease. I'm using the e.l.f. concealer once again, and I'm just basically cutting my crease halfway on both of my eyelids. Alright, so starting out with the inner corner of my lid, I'm just using the shade Canvas, and it's like this light peachy shade. And I'm going in with the NYX foil little palette, and I'm using the gold and the pink foil shade. And I'm just mixing those two colors up and putting that on the rest of my lid. Going back in with the shade Boutique and Benny, I'm just blending out my outer corner of my eye and just going over the top a little bit with those two shades. Alright, so going into these mega glitter chunks, I am using my lash glue just to help the glitter to stay on like all day. And I'm just putting it on the line where I created my cut crease. And this glitter is by Fluttered by Ro on Instagram. And this is the glitter in the shade Hottie. And I've been loving it so far, so good, you know. But yeah, I'm just putting that where I put my lash glue. Alright guys, so it's lash time. So I'm putting on my lash glue first, then I'm putting on some mascara, and then I'm going to put on my lashes by Kiss, and it's in the shade Poise. And now I'm just going to do the same thing with the other eye. And moving on to the face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 335 Classic Tan, you already know. And I just blend that out with a sponge first, just to make sure the product is evenly distributed. And then I just use my Real Technique brush just to make sure it's skin light, blurred, clean, you know, all that. Alright, so now I'm just using the Morphe concealer in C415, and I'm just putting that in my highlighted areas, and I'm just blending that out really well.
Ryan Little.
Onto setting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in medium deep 30, and I'm just putting that all over my concealed areas. Alright, so onto the bronzer, I'm using the Pacifica Natural Beauty bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. I'm just putting that on my nose and on my bronze areas. Now I'm just wiping off all the excess powder that I have on my face with my Real Technique brush. Alright, so onto blush, I'm using the Seraphine Botanicals Guava Butter Cheek Stain, and I'm just putting this on my cheeks and just quickly blending this out because I really didn't even know this dries down super duper fast, but it does. Alright, so onto the highlighter, I'm using the Hikari Cosmetics bronzing palette, and I'm just using the two golden shades just to mix those two up and make a really blinding highlighter, and I'm just putting it all over my highlighted areas. Alright, so onto setting my face, I'm using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I just basically spritzed it on my face, and I'm now patting it into my skin just to make sure my face is set. Alright, so onto the lips, I'm just using this dark brown matte shade. I honestly don't even know where this is from, but I'm using this as a liner, and then I'm just making sure that's like really blended first. Then I'm using this light nude brown shade by Stila Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Sogno, and I'm just basically blending those out to make like an ombre shade. And yeah, this is basically the final look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so this is the final look for my New Year's glam, and I think what really set out this look was the glitter pigments. You really gonna be popping at your little New Year's party with these glitter pigments. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what is your goal that you want to accomplish in 2020. And I just want to thank all of my subscribers who have been with me since I started, and for my newer subscribers in the year of 2019, thank you guys for sticking with me. And if you guys are a new viewer watching this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's continue to grow into the year of 2020. And I thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.